AirMarker. The AirMarker is a personal locator beacon, PLB, that is designed to be small, lightweight, and easy to use. It is intended for use by recreational hikers, campers, and other outdoor enthusiasts who want a way to signal for help in an emergency. The AirMarker is about the size of a credit card and weighs only a few ounces. It is activated by pulling out a pin, and it will then transmit a signal on the 406 MHz emergency frequency. This signal can be detected by satellites and search and rescue aircraft, and it will help rescuers to locate the person in distress. In addition to transmitting a distress signal, the AirMarker can also send a personal locator beacon, PLB, signal. This signal includes the user's GPS coordinates. Fast board. The fast board is a rescue board that is designed to be versatile and easy to use. It is primarily used for rapid intervention in firefighter rescue, but it can also be used for confined space rescue, hazardous materials response, and active shooter response. The fast board is made of a lightweight and durable aluminum frame, and it has a number of features that make it easy to use in a variety of situations. One of the key features of the fast board is its single-point connection system. This system allows the board to be attached to a firefighter's bailout harness with a single click, which saves time and effort in an emergency. The fast board also has a number of carrying handles and straps that make it easy to transport, even in confined spaces. The fast board is also equipped with a number of safety features. It has a non-slip surface that helps to prevent patients from slipping and falling, and it has raised edges that help to keep patients in place. The fast board also has a number of attachment points for straps and other rescue equipment. The fast board is a versatile and easy-to-use rescue board. Rescue Ready Retrofit. The Rescue Ready Retrofit is a fire escape ladder system that is designed to be easy to install and use. It is intended for use in homes and other buildings that do not have a built-in fire escape. The Rescue Ready Retrofit is made of durable aluminum and nylon webbing, and it has been quality tested to meet and exceed a STM standard F2175. The Rescue Ready Retrofit is unique in that it is pre-rigged and anchored to the home's structural components. This means that there is no need to find and mount the ladder to the window frame in an emergency. The ladder is also adjustable in length, so it can fit most windows. The Rescue Ready Retrofit comes with a decorative wood cover that can be painted to match any existing window trim. The cover helps to keep the ladder hidden when it is not in use, and it also protects the ladder from the elements. The Rescue Ready Retrofit is an easy and affordable way to add a fire escape to your home. It is a valuable safety tool that can help to save lives in the event of a fire. Easy to install. No need to find and mount the ladder in an emergency. Adjustable in length. ARM-LOC. The ARM-LOC is a personal flotation device, PFD, that is designed to be easy to use and comfortable to wear. It is intended for use by people who are at risk of falling into water, such as boaters, kickers, and fishermen. The ARM-LOC is made of lightweight and durable neoprene, and it has a number of features that make it easy to use and comfortable to wear. One of the key features of the ARM-LOC is its unique design. The ARM-LOC slides onto the forearm and then locks into place, eliminating the need for the victim to grasp a rope. This can be especially helpful for people who are injured or unconscious. The ARM-LOC also has a built-in whistle that can be used to signal for help. The ARM-LOC is also comfortable to wear. The neoprene material is soft and flexible, and the ARM-LOC does not restrict movement. It is also available in a variety of sizes to fit most adults and children. The ARM-LOC is a valuable safety tool for anyone who enjoys spending time on the water. It is easy to use. Halo Passenger Lifejacket. The Halo Passenger Lifejacket is an aviation lifejacket that is designed to be comfortable, lightweight, and easy to use. It is intended for use by passengers in helicopters, offshore wind farms, and other aviation applications. The Halo Passenger Lifejacket is made of durable Nomex cover and features a unique Halo hood system for enhanced airway protection. It is available with a fully integrated emergency breathing system, EBS, that provides 80% more breathable air than standard lifejackets. The Halo Passenger Lifejacket is one of the most advanced lifejackets available, and it offers an enhanced level of safety, comfort, and in-water performance. Comfortable and lightweight design. The Halo Passenger Lifejacket is made of a lightweight and breathable material that is comfortable to wear for extended periods of time. It is also designed to fit a wide range of body sizes. Easy to use. The Halo Passenger Lifejacket is easy to don and doff, even in an emergency. Self-propelled hyperbaric lifeboat, SPHL. A self-propelled hyperbaric lifeboat, SPHL, is a specialized type of lifeboat that is designed to rescue divers from a dive support vessel, DSV, in the event of an emergency. SPHLs are unique in that they are equipped with a hyperbaric chamber that allows divers to be decompressed slowly and safely while they are being transported to shore. This is essential for divers who have been working at depths of more than 30 meters, 100 feet, as rapid decompression can cause serious health problems, including decompression sickness. SPHLs are typically made of fiberglass or aluminum and are powered by a diesel engine. They can accommodate up to 30 people, including divers, crew, and medical personnel. SPHLs are also equipped with a variety of other safety features, such as life rafts, fire extinguishers, and first aid kits. SPHLs are an essential safety tool for the commercial diving industry. Bridgehill Extreme Fire Blankets. The Bridgehill Extreme Fire Blanket is a fire suppression blanket that is designed to extinguish fires in small vehicles, machinery, and electric vehicles. It is made of a durable, non-combustible material that can withstand extreme heat and flames. The blanket is also treated with a fire retardant that helps to prevent it from burning. To use the Bridgehill Extreme Fire Blanket, simply pull it over the fire and let it smother the flames. The blanket will cut off the fire's oxygen supply, and the fire will extinguish itself within minutes. The blanket can also be used to protect people and property from heat and flames. The Bridgehill Extreme Fire Blanket is a versatile and effective fire suppression tool that can be used in a variety of situations. It is an essential safety tool for anyone who works with or around flammable materials. Effective against fires in small vehicles, machinery, and electric vehicles. Made of a durable, non-combustible material. Treated with a fire retardant. Easy to use. Marine Evacuation Systems. LSA, or life-saving appliances, are essential safety equipment required on all ships that carry passengers or crew. LSA marine evacuation systems are designed to provide a safe and effective means of evacuating passengers and crew from a ship in the event of an emergency. These systems typically include lifeboats, life rafts, and other flotation devices, as well as the associated launching and recovery appliances. Lifeboats are rigid, enclosed vessels that are designed to carry a large number of people. They are typically launched from davits on the side of the ship and are self-propelled, meaning they have their own engine. Lifeboats are the most common type of LSA marine evacuation system, and are required on all passenger ships and most cargo ships. Life rafts are inflatable vessels that are designed to carry a smaller number of people than lifeboats. They are typically stored on the ship's deck, and are inflated by compressed air or carbon dioxide cartridges.